Welcome to Read It Again. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on that subscribe button below. Hope you enjoy this book. Emma Likes Football, written by Victoria Ferdi. This is Emma. Emma feels a bit different from the other children. But why might she feel different? Does she feel different because she is a football player? Does she feel different because she plays games with her friends where they pretend to be brave heroes? Does she feel different because she has two caring moms? Does she feel different because she has an abuela who speaks beautiful Spanish? Does she feel different because she dresses her puppy in bright colors? No, she feels a bit different from the other kids because she can juggle balls upside down. And do you know what? It's okay to feel different. And what about you? Do you have special talents too? The end. Thank you so much for listening and following along. If you like this book, please give it a thumbs up and come back soon to read it again.